Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. T. Many of you know me as your co-living cousin from the Facebook group The Co-Living Life, but I'm also your cybersecurity cousin. And in this video, I'm sharing tips on AI safety. AI tools are super helpful. They help you plan out your whole vacation, your sabbaticals, your exploration trips to find out the best co-living spaces, and even while you're on the road, they can help you when you need directions. But it's important to know what happens when you use AI. You might consider a quick search for the best restaurants in Thailand that are near your hotel to be fairly innocent. And it may be, but just know that this information could be stored perpetually on the servers that belong to the AI company who make the tool. It can also be used to train data models for the AI systems. AI relies on data to train its models so that they become more knowledgeable, more resourceful, and that they could help answer some of those complex questions that we pose them. But remember, many of the tools are preset to allow for them to use your data as needed. So you'd have to opt out of this feature. So what happens when you allow your data to be used to train the models? Well, you might lose privacy. AI systems learn from those messages, those questions, and all of that information we feed it. So if you've shared sensitive details about yourself, mental health, financial, any of that, that information could show up in future responses. And in fact, I haven't heard any clear answers from AI system owners regarding the admissibility of AI chat records in court cases, like child custody cases or wrongful termination cases. So be careful, be informed. There could also be targeted manipulation. The more you use AI, the more AI learns your mood, your habits, and your preferences. And that might sound helpful, but it could also be used to push products or content that plays into your emotions. So if you're out on a solo trip and you're feeling lonely, AI might pick up on that depending on the information you feed it, and then it will in turn suggest things like expensive experiences or ads that aren't really helpful. So, another area to be aware and to be informed about. Then there's bias amplification. AI is trained mostly on data from one cultural group. It might not understand or respect others. And this could lead to stereotypes or poor advice. So, you may be planning a cultural trip to West Africa, but if AI gives you advice based on Western norms, then that's not really helpful. And it may even feel disrespectful. So, what can you do as a smart traveler or a general AI user? Understand what each system offers and remain informed. Part of the reason that I am putting this video out is that I found out that Instagram has now included a feature that allows for your location to be shared during a live stream. That sounds like fun, but immediately my privacy and safety antennas went up. Do you need everyone knowing where you are at the very moment that you're there? That's a decision you'll have to make. But I'm trying to get you to understand some of the types of questions that you need to ask before you opt into a service or before you start using tools that you haven't really informed yourself about. Now, Instagram insists that this location feature is an opt in feature, meaning that it's turned off and you yourself would have to turn it on. But know before you click, understand what the functionality is and any risk associated with it. You should also practice regular IT hygiene. Clear your browser, reset your password frequently, delete old chats, Keep your digital life clean and secure. This is just a quick video on how to be safe. I'm not recommending which tool to use or which features are best for you. That's a decision you'll have to make. I just want you to enjoy the tools, but be safe and have fun while you're using it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and we'll see you in the next one.